trying to reach for everything up here. Everything he can reach up here, which is getting it's a surprising reach now, is winding up on the floor. Good morning. It is bright. It is early. Alan's already off to work. We've been up for hours already, and now you're not going to hear it. You can kind of hear it. Construction workers are up on the second floor. Don't know what they're doing today, just like on Friday, but when I did go to check it on Friday, I was going to bring you guys up with me, but the day was already over. Quite a bit of little things have been done. The most important being that the windows have finally been fully installed. They've been partially installed this whole time because you can't bring them in and put insulation around it until the building inspector says it's okay. So since that was done and over with, we finally have insulation around the windows. They are now put into place. More insulation is being put up, and our bathtubs arrived on Friday, so hopefully they'll be going in the next day or two, if not today. I am so going to sit in one of those bathtubs. I don't care if it's working or not. I'm sitting in my future bathtub just to kind of suss it out and see how it's going. So that's happening, which is making me very happy. We got a little stressed out at the beginning of last week because nothing had been done in weeks in the house, and we hadn't been told what's going on. So within a matter of 24 hours, we've talked to everybody, figured out what's going on, and the next day there were people here at the house getting stuff out. So that is exciting. I did want to take this little man out for a walk, but it is raining right now. So it's not supposed to rain all day, but it is what it is right now. So we're spending a little rainy day inside. He is testing his limits. Yeah. What are you even doing? Oh, monkey. Yeah. What mischief are you up to now? What's he doing? What are these?
Crackers.
Yeah, the crackers. What's this? It's not milk. It's water.
Wow.
Yeah, water. We're now in the monkey stage where I can pretty much get him to say lots of words. Can you say buzz?
But
Now you got crackers in your mouth, and that's just rude. I'll let you eat.
no.
What?
But
No, there's no buzzing here. There was one, though. There was a fly upstairs. And you're a champ, kiddo. You slept through all of that construction work that was happening up there. I didn't think you'd sleep through it, but I thought I would at least try and put him down. Because he was like, we're 2 floors down. He'd be right in the middle, like underneath where all the workers were. But no, he fell asleep. He only just woke up, and it's been just under 3 hours. So he did pretty well. The workers left about an hour ago, hour and a half ago. I don't know what they did other than putting some plastic sheeting up all over the walls, but yeah. It's something. It's something. That's what's happening. Oh, we're playing already, eh? Daddy's coming home in a minute. Excited to see Daddy? Oh, he's not here just yet. Almost. He'll tap. You know he will. He always taps up at the window. This little guy gets so excited. Who's that?
a pig.
Yeah, it's Percy.
That's fun.
Good job. I think you were kind of saying it. It's Green Lantern. Can you say Green Lantern?
Hi. Hi.
Hi. No, but you can say hi.
Doo-doo.
Yeah? Percy meets the Green Lantern. Percy! You're so cute. Aww. Yeah. Oh, you're out of focus, kiddo.
That's this.
Not, not, not home yet.
What's that?
That is a saw. I think it's a chainsaw. No, that's a drill. It's something.
I'm just getting ready for you. You're gonna press the button again.
See.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the beginning.
Oh, Dad's ruining everything.
Choo choo.
I'm gonna get to the choo-choo. This is a very long video, so it's hard to get there.
It's a long setup.
Here you go. You ready?
Wow, the world with your smarts.
Choo choo.
Choo choo.
One,
Good boy.
two, four,
Close.
four,
Yeah.
Can you say that one?
Skip that one.
Yeah.
five,
Yeah.
six,
Yeah.
seven,
Oh, good one.
I like that one. 10.
choo choo.
You're doing good, kiddo. That's impressive.
Choo-choo.
What is... No, check it out. Come on, Tim.
Choo-choo.
Turn that off. What's this?
Choo.
Oh, there's a choo-choo under the choo-choo. Is that a choo-choo?
Choo-choo.
Choo choo.
That's a choo-choo
She's like,
train.
it's a choo-choo. It's not food. Try that one.
I just want to play with them.
Well, he's not in his chair. He's not used to...
Choo-choo. Wait.
Is it too much?
Choo choo.
Did I ruin your choo-choo?
Daddy spent so long on that for you.
Here, try one of the wheels. Choo-choo train.
You're just being a goofball. Oh.
Okay, you can have the rest.
Hello. Yeah, it's Tuesday. We're doing another twofer blurgin, splurgin. It's just Alan was working all day yesterday. We didn't get a lot of footage, so we thought we would do a twofer instead. Just checking mail, that's all. Just you know, leave me alone. Just checking mail. About to do some dishes. Want to say hi? How are you? Did you have a good Tuesday? I don't know I'm talking like this, but I am. Anyway, yeah, it's a really rainy day, which we've needed. We haven't had rain in a while. But it's made for a very lazy day. We made a lot of phone calls and emails and stuff for people about the house, just trying to get, we're having some issues with our HVAC design. There's a teeny tiny mistake on the plans that need to be changed, but the guy who made the plans is, although he talked to the HVAC guy and he's like, yeah, I know what the problem is, this is what the problem is, he's now going, what's the problem? And we can't move forward with the drywall until we have these new plans. You know, one of those situations. So we did a little polite just get it done email today and forwarding on some information, and we have a little crying baby downstairs. I don't know what his problem is. He just woke up and now he's cranky. Are we still cranky?
Yeah, I'm looking for crayons.
Oh, I know where crayons are. Mommy knows where crayons are. Let's go find some crayons. We'll go find some crayons. Let's go find some crayons. Crayons, crayons, crayons. Oh, the light's out. Oh, there we go. Love our basement. Isn't it amazing? Yeah. Awesome. But I know where crayons are. Right here.
Crayons for you.
Open.
Want some crayons?
Open.
Yep.
Open.
Stick. Stick.
Paper.
We're
Crayons
gonna
and
draw
paper.
something?
Yeah, girl. What colors do you want? Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna pick white, the hardest one to see.
That
Red.
was great.
Whoa.
Cool.
Yeah.
Red. You want some more? You can just leave it out. You're too much like your mother. You gotta just go leave stuff out.
You put it back, man. You put it where it belongs. Oh God. So it begins.
Open.
Oh, you're gonna break it.
That's a mess.
Oh, that's my son. Oh,
Play,
don't
my son.
screw with
play.
my red violet, man.
Give
Or
one to
this
mommy.
one's also my favorite one. The violet. The violet colors. I do like them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa, ambidextrous boy.
How do you do it?
Guys.
Yeah. You want a car one?
Guys.
We're running out of one-touch flash games. Looking for games where you can just press the space bar and figure things out, or press any key and things pop out. And there's a few of them out there, but they're not the most engaging. Not for a sophisticated child like mine.
Choo choo.
That's right.
Choo choo. So.
Cool. Press button.
Choo choo. Guys. Choo choo. Akio. Akio. Akio.
What is it? It's a bell. I don't know if you're saying thank you or what. Some words now are so like crystal clear. Like they say bubbles. More? But he looked over when I said that. But other things, he's saying certain words, but I can't figure them out. And I feel bad for him. We'll get there.
Go.
Because the bell apparently is thank you.
Akio.
Let me know if you can hear what he's saying, because I can't figure it out. It's close to ice cream. But I don't think he's saying ice cream, unless he's thinking of the ice cream truck.
Cats.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Hey, do you know where the turnoff is? I can't get off this highway.
Hi.
Yeah, I said hi. Let's go driving.
Who's that?
I don't know. Let's go.
Here you going, CBs? Oh, I like your book. That's a good book. Yeah. Hi.
Teacher.
Choo Choo, are you a Choo Choo? Daddy is making dinner. Oh, you want to check it out? You want to approve? What you making?
Whatever we got.
Oh, so eggs.
Eggs with some salsa and cheese.
Mmm.
And maybe some bread. We'll see.
That's for them, not for me.
That is hot. Don't put your finger
I
there.
am finishing up the 3-day refresh because I've been feeling bleh. So I'm having veggies, organic vegetable broth, and my protein smoothie. Woo, that's hot. Okay, gotta put the camera down. Let's put the camera down.
Camera.
The camera down.
I will break.
We shall put the camera down.
I will crush.
Ellen will crush you.
You will lose. We've been watching Rocky.
That wasn't really my accent.
No, it's generic European accent.
All right, fine. I'm putting you down. Hello?
Cheese. I've got some cheese. Do you want cheese?
What you doing? What's happening over here? Oh, I see. Your little hiding spot. Yeah. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? What are you doing? Whoa! Oh, dramatic fall. Oh, dramatic fall.
Got some cheese for you. You gonna eat your cheese? Eat your cheese. Don't run with your cheese, don't run
please.
around with it.
Oh, you're gonna sit up on the bed and eat? Good boy. Oh. Well, don't get cheese on our pillows. Yeah, you sit and you eat your cheese. Eat that cheese. You want your book? You can read and eat at the same time. There you go. Learn about diggers. Have some cheese. Yummy. Well, you have to eat that one before you have more. And please don't run around, troopers. What was that? Eggs. Good boy.
Yeah. Want some eggs? That's empty.
No, that's an empty egg. That's a yucky egg.
Hot eggs.
What are you doing? Hi. Oh, no, he's not going to drop it on your belly. That's a little
Eggs?
too hot. Oh, gosh.
1, 2,